Before I leave this bench, there is another topic I want to talk about, and it actually closely relates to my last video that I did on true love. And this is the topic of dating, okay? Now here's the thing, is I've never actually dated. This is what's funny, because I've often criticized dating as basically just people searching for someone to have sex with. And for the most part, it kind of is. And so, but I think there is a possibility of somebody non-sexually dating and finding someone that they're compatible with, they want to spend their life with. You know, sort of an asexual relationship or asexual marriage. And people don't believe that exists. Now, Monique and I used to talk about that on our podcasts, and most people just laugh at the idea. But I don't think it's all that crazy of an idea. See, but here's the thing. Other people have preferences. They have preferences on, well, they are looking for somebody. They have to be either a man or a woman. And this is how dating websites work. I've experimented with these dating apps. And it has all these things that you input, your sexual orientation, what you're looking for. So you put if you're wanting a man or a woman, and stuff like that. And it gets even more complicated when you don't want a man or a woman. You want a person. You know what I'm saying? So here's an interesting thing. So as an asexual person who is experimenting around with dating apps, here's my perspective on it. The problem is the entire system is wrong from the start, because you're looking for somebody. Okay, I want somebody to weigh a certain amount, or be a certain amount of inches tall, or to have a certain set of genitalia, or to be a certain skin color. Like, people have their preferences, and people actively go out looking for people that have the body that they're looking for. The whole thing is based on the body. And it's like, well, here's the thing. You know, that's not important to me. I've realized more and more, the older I've gotten, how it really doesn't matter to me how people look. No, I mean, some people are better looking than others. I'm not gonna lie on that one. Some people I think look better, but I'm not gonna get into who looks better or not, and I'm not naming any names either. But this is very important. So I care about personality. And it is a dream of mine. I do like the idea that I would find somebody that is a forever friend. That's what I'll call them, a forever friend. Not just a friend that you hang out with, you do fun stuff together, but then, you just split apart because, they go off and get married, or you go to college, or move out of state, and then you never talk to them, and you never think about them again. That, you know what I mean? That's merely an acquaintance, I think. But I want a forever friend. Actually, I'd like more than one forever friend, if that's possible. I would like for my friends to be true friends. And I think, there's a few people that I will always be good friends with. And, well, a lot of them include some of my co-hosts, Some of the people I've done videos and podcasts with on my channel. It's no secret. So I'll mention, people know who Jamie is. People know who Pavo is. People know who Monique is. They know some people that, because they've been guests on podcasts. I've done Google Hangouts with people, so people know who these people are. But my vegan activist friends, we talk about that, but we also talk about other things, and we just really get along. And so those are my forever friends. Now, it's too bad that my forever friends are all off in different states or different countries. It's really sad how that is. I really would like somebody more local, you know what I mean? And that's the thing, is I just don't have anybody locally right now that I can think of as a forever friend. I mean, well, I'm not going to I can think of some people maybe, but I'm not going to get into that, because the topic though is that I believe there is such a thing as true love, like I mentioned in my previous video. But I also think when you find a forever friend, you might call it a spouse or a partner. I call it a forever friend. But you find somebody that you don't just love them, you like them. You actually like them. So it's somebody that when you get to spend time with that person, you're anticipating and you're excited, you're happy about it. That is what I'm talking about, where you not only love somebody, you like somebody. And there's a lot of people I love, but I don't like. But I can't think of anybody that I like that I don't love, because truth be told, I really love everyone. I do. You might not know it because I call myself a misanthrope sometimes, but I really do love everyone. And I want what's best for everybody. But I just can't like most humans. And if you've been around other humans very long, you understand, because people are jerks. They don't love you the same way a dog or a cat or a horse or a pig or sheep does. I mean, the non-human animals, they love us in a way that humans don't love each other. You can just tell, because people are selfish, and it's really sad. There's not enough true love, and there's not enough like either. There is a like. It's important to like somebody. If you want to have a relationship with somebody, or marry somebody, or even have a roommate, you really have to be compatible. They have to be somebody that you really jive with. You know what I mean? Somebody that you can talk to and you're on the level. You know, you're on the same wavelength, and that's important. And so that's the thing, that's my thought, is the first video was about true love, but I guess the topic of this video is true like. You know, it's hard to tell the difference between love and like sometimes, but there's love where you care about somebody enough not to murder them. That's a good start. That's pretty good for a start for love, is not murdering. A lot of people need to learn that though. But then true like, that's where you really get along with somebody, and you may not even agree on something. People have disagreements, but you can disagree, but you still like that person, because the things you do agree on are more important, and you like them because the good outweighs the bad. And I can think of a few people. So anyway, that's my videos for today. True love and true like. Hope somebody enjoyed that.